Hello future developers, so welcome to the continuation of our data visualization project. So in our previous lesson we actually learned to do some plotting, okay, using in pie charts. Okay, so as you see here, some few lines of code we also were able to achieve. Now we would want to actually do something with scatter plot. So to get started, I'm just going to create an x variable, then assign it an np, so numpy array, so np.array. Then I'm going to give it some values, let's say 3, 6, 10, and then 35. Oops, not comma. Okay, so I'll just copy this. Okay, so scatter plots, let me paste this. Scatter plots just helps us to distribute some points, okay, on a graph, and then it actually shows the relationship between these points. Okay, so np.array, and then let's change the value. So I'll do here 30. We can do here, let's say let's do here 50. You can use any value of your choice. I'm going to do here, let's use 77. Then here I will do, let's say 20. Okay, so now let's try plotting. So very simple. So plt.scatter. Then what do you want to scatter, or what do you want to plot? Which points? So x comma y. Okay, so remember to actually use plt.show to make everything work. Like, yeah. So run it, you can see we have some points, okay, scattered, okay, in our graph. Okay. So now what we'll do is let's try. I'm just going to copy this. Okay, we'll use it in our Excel, paste here, and then let's try creating two of these. So let me cut this, Ctrl X, and then paste it here. Then I'm going to copy all of these. Okay, I'm going to paste it here. And then we'll just change the value. So let's change the value. So 2, do here 4, do here 9. I'm going to do here 7. So 7. And then our y axis is going to have, let's say 40, 30, 90, and then let's use let's say 99. Okay, so let's try running it. Okay, so you can see we have the colors being different. Okay, so this would be the blue one. Let's first confirm. So 3, 30, so 3, 30. Okay, yeah, you can see it here. Then let's see that of the orange. So 240. So 2 should be somewhere here. Okay, so you can see 240. Okay, so yeah, let's move to our next lesson. Okay, so our next experiment, let's try just pasting this here. First, let me put the plt.show so that we don't forget. Okay, and then let's try working on the size of our points. Okay, so the point we want to work on the size. So I'll create a variable size, assign it an np, that's an array, numpy array. And then let's use some values. Let's say 100, let's use 300, 200. Let's try 500, and then let's try 700. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So all we can do is just to use let me create a variable s. Sorry, let's use s for the size, and then we'll just assign it our variable here. Okay, so s for size, and assign it the values, okay, in our size code. Okay, so if you run it, we should see that the size of our points have changed, okay, or are changed. Okay, let's try adding some colors. So to add colors, all we'll do is just to let me use colors. I'll create a variable called colors, or we can use hue. So hue. Okay, so any variable name, and then np.array. I'll keep typing array. From Jamaica, array. Okay, so array, np.array, and then let's give it some colors. So I'm going to use yellow, yellow. Let's use cyan. Is it cyan or cayenne? Then let's use green. So one, two, three. Okay. Then the last one would use let's use red. You can use any color of your choice. When we run it, you could see what's issue. Okay. So let me comma and then I'll put color. So C equals to hue. Okay. So C equals to hue. If I run it, then see we have our colors changed. Okay. Okay, so we can also try to make this a little bit transparent or faint, like trying to add the alpha method or property or object. So to do that, we just have to put comma and then we use alpha, alpha, and let's use 0.5. We run it, you can see it's been fainted. Okay, so we've decreased the saturation. Okay. So that should be it for scatter plots, and then I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.